here we have set up a plant survey for a hedgerow. So we measure out 25 metres long and 1 metre wide to capture both the woody species of the hedge as well as the base canopy, which can hold huge amount of diversity. And here we've got some good examples of that. So we have a linear plot here rather than a square plot. So we have this 25 metre length of string that we mark out. And what we do is we kind of have the first 2 or 3 metres of that string is quite an intensive look at what we've got. So we really get in down to the plants and have a look what we've got in that base canopy and at the woody species end of the hedgerow. And then we walk along that 25 metres and work out what we haven't seen yet as we get along further into that 25 metres. So we get right down in there and we look for bits that are right underneath all the grass species. We look for both the flowers but also the leaf of the plant as well. So obviously we have different flowers that flower at different times. Where we're unsure of the species, we just use the app to take a photo, which will identify or give us some options as to what plant that might be. And we utilise that to then investigate further what the plant is and add that into the Exchange app to build up a picture of species ID. So we really want to find a diversity of plants across the farm, which are providing functions to the ecosystem, essentially. So we're looking for different flowering times when early pollinators might be out and about looking for food sources, but also late flowering options too for those later pollinators. We're looking for different flower shapes. So here we've got some really good examples of that. To again encourage diversity of insect, which then encourage diversity of birds up the food chain. So again, great indicators. If you've got a good diversity of plants, then you've got lots of options for other wildlife to be utilising this linear feature for hunting ground and feeding the young chicks.